Okay, so we've got our trailer harness plugged into the truck. And you may have a brand new truck for this machine when you get it, but you got to double check. Your truck may not have had the towing package fuse installed, so you have to ensure that you've got 12 volts coming out of the auxiliary spot on your trailer plug harness on the truck side. A lot of new trucks, they may have a towing package, but they may not have that fuse installed that gives you 12 volts at the trailer plug. So you have to ensure you've got voltage at the trailer plug. Then when you plug it into your truck, you'll see you may have trailer lights, but it doesn't necessarily mean you have 12 volt auxiliary supply. So you verify at the truck you've got 12 volts at the auxiliary plug, then you can plug in your trailer and you'll get power that will charge your battery. And what you'll do is you'll take this switch here, your main battery disconnect switch. When you turn it to engine, the battery on board charges from the engine that's on the machine. You see our nice batteries in there. We've got breakers for all three of the main systems. So there's no fuses that are going to blow or anything. It'll just trip a breaker. If there's a problem, you can reset it. Now this battery is going to either charge from the engine on board or it's going to charge from your vehicle. So if your vehicle is putting out the 12 volt auxiliary supply, your battery is going to charge here. You'll see it on the voltmeter that you're charging at the same as the truck. There is a diode in the system so that the battery cannot backfeed into your truck, so there's no worries about that. And this battery is what powers the thermostat and the air compressor and the burner that's on board. So it's very important that this battery stays charged and has proper voltage for all those components to run correctly. So we'll verify that you've got voltage coming from the truck. You should be charging at about 13.5 volts. You plug your trailer in, test your lights, make sure you've got voltage coming to the battery, and then we can go and move on to the burner system, the compressor, and the radio receiver, and all the other components that we're going to use to run the machine.